My name is Mark Sewell, Interim Chief Financial Officer for the City of Oxnard. This item is a professional services agreement with MuniServices LLC for quarterly sales tax and transaction tax audit services for the Finance and Governance Committee meeting on June the 13th, 2023. It is recommended that the Finance and Governance Committee recommend to the City Council that they award agreement number 324-00016 to MuniServices LLC for a 5-year term in the amount not to exceed $600,000 for quarterly sales tax audit services and measures O&E transactions tax audit services, and adopt a resolution authorizing examination of sales, transaction, and use tax records to MuniServices LLC. Sales tax auditing is a common practice across many municipalities in California. It helps cities to receive all the taxes that are owed to them. Since January 2017, the city has received these services from Hintalita DeLamas and Associates, HDL. 6 years has passed and it's good practice to competitively bid goods and services, and so in February 2023, the city issued a request for proposals. The city received 2 proposals, one from MuniServices and one from HDL. Proposals were evaluated by finance staff using the following criteria: the overall responsiveness of the proposals, the company profile, their ability to demonstrate competence in this area, and finally, the cost proposal. Staff recommends Council award to MuniServices a 5-year agreement commencing July the 1st, 2023. The city will pay MuniServices 15% of any taxes recovered as a result of their audit work. It's important to note the city will retain 100% of the sales tax and will remit payment to MuniServices for their 15% compensation. In addition, MuniServices offer consulting services and financial forecasting for budgetary and other strategic planning as part of their fees. This is very important for the city in budget preparation. Should the city require additional in-depth consulting, the city will agree in advance with MuniServices an hourly rate of between $90 and $350 per hour, depending on the scope of those needs. Therefore, it is recommended that the Finance and Governance Committee recommend to City Council that they award agreement number 324-00016 to MuniServices LLC for a 5-year term in the amount not to exceed $600,000 for quarterly sales tax audit services and measures O&E transaction tax audit services, and adopt a resolution authorizing examination of sales, transaction, and use tax to MuniServices LLC. Staff will be available at the Finance and Governance Committee meeting on June the 13th, 2023 to answer any questions. Many thanks.